Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare Bolt's beef liver treats. Beef liver offers tons of nutrients for your dogs. It's rich in iron, vitamin A, B, and D, folic acid, phosphorus, essential fatty acids, zinc, and copper. These nutrients help protect and support the dog's digestive system, immune system, reproductive organs, as well as bone, joint, nerve, and mental health. It's way cheaper than buying dog treats at the dog store. I pick up a pack of this at Walmart for only $2.10. You can also get calf liver, which offers the same. This is a perfect treat to use for training, on walks, or just a little fun thing. Once it's fully cooked, I take it out of the pan and cut it up into larger, smaller pieces. Once I've gotten it cut up to the size that I want, I throw it into a freezer-safe container. I usually need about 2, and one I'll put in the refrigerator and one I'll put in the freezer. Seal them up and you're good to go.